Hello, I'm Nate. If you are a distributor for clothing and shoes, you may be worried about the increasing labor cost and the shop renting cost. Now we have a solution for you. The clothing and shoes vending machine. With 22-inch touchscreen to play advertisement, card reader for payment, and receipt printer. Using hanging slot to hang the product, it becomes very flexible, not much requirement from product packing and product dimension. Custom sticker can put your brand on the machine. Let me show you the shopping flow. Click the screen into the menu. Now we select whatever we want to buy. For example, we want to buy the shoes. Okay. Now we can collect the shoes. Change your business to online shopping. Contact us for more information.